In first place. The Dodgers have been in first place since the 26th of July, but the Brewers, they've been in first place since the 5th of April. And the Brewers have been very successful against the Western Division. They are 16-7. The Dodgers are a little under 500 against the Central Division. As far as the pitchers are concerned, the Dodgers sent Zack Greinke to the mound. At one time, he pitched for Milwaukee. In fact, while wearing the Brewers uniform, Greinke was 25-9. But against his old club, he's trying to snap a two-game losing streak, and he is 0-2, having been beaten once by the Brewers this year. On the mound against the Dodgers, a boy from Niceville, Florida. He is 6'6", and his name is Jimmy Nelson. Pitched well, allowed only 2 runs against the Dodgers last time out, and still suffered the loss. He is 2-3 within the league. So game 1 of the 3 with the Brewers, the clash of the leaders, and it should be a wonderful evening. Above all, sit back, relax, and have a great night at the ballpark.